Welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to bringing you daily videos that offer in-depth insights into a wide range of products. In today's episode, we're delving into the world of satellite phones, showcasing the best options available. So, stay tuned for expert advice, and if you find our content valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up with our latest reviews and product recommendations. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Garmin inReach Mini GPS. Why it made the cut? This satellite communicator is portable and packed with features, like interactive SOS calling, to ensure safety anywhere in the world. Specs. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, ANT+. Battery life, 50 hours in default tracking mode, 20 days in power-saving mode. Battery power, internal rechargeable lithium battery. Dimensions, 2 by 1.3 by 3.9 inches. Makers of top-tier hiking watches, Garmin knows GPS devices and what adventurers need. This handy mini GPS Garmin satellite phone is perfect for packing with your tent on outdoor camping trips. This satellite communicator lets you send two-way text messages using the Iridium satellite network. It is compatible with other handheld devices, and you have unlimited access to maps and aerial images through the Garmin EarthMate app to support your trip safely. Plus, it's water-rated to IPX7 and impact-resistant, meaning it's just as tough as your next uphill climb. Sending out an SOS message is easy thanks to 24/7 access to the GEO's emergency response team. A satellite subscription is required for use. Pros. Portable. Fast access to SOS. Lots of battery power. Cons. Satellite subscription required for use. Number 2. SpotX with Bluetooth two-way. Why it made the cut? This simple messenger allows you to send pre-programmed messages and your GPS location to loved ones. Specs. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, USB. Battery life, 10 days. Battery power, 1 lithium polymer battery. Dimensions, 2.9 by 0.94 by 6.54 inches. Stick to the basics and stay safe with this simple satellite GPS messenger. Connect with friends by sending coordinates and pre-programmed messages via satellite and stay safe in case of emergency with GPS locators and SOS signals. It also includes Save Our Vehicle, SOV, request capabilities and a track button to send and save your location. Those at home can look at your location and progress using the Spot Mapping app. Be aware that you'll need to pay for a year of activation in order to use this device. Pros. Easy to use. SOV capabilities. Spot Mapping app gives those at home peace of mind. Cons. Must pay for a year of activation. Number 3. Zoleo Satellite Communicator. Why it made the cut? This flexible device lets you connect to a satellite for less than $200, a steal compared to other satellite communicators. Specs. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Battery life, 200 hours. Battery power, lithium-ion. Dimensions, 3.58 by 2.6 by 1.06 inches. Zoleo created a small rugged device with all the essentials for keeping you safe in remote locations. Highly rated by many outdoor editors, this device allows you to use the Iridium satellite network, Wi-Fi, or cellular service, depending on what's available. A monthly subscription is required with cost-level options, depending on your needs. Pros. Flexibility in using satellite, Wi-Fi, or cellular. Iridium satellite network access. Required monthly subscription is less than $100 for cellular, Wi-Fi, and SOS messaging. Cons. Monthly subscription required. Number 4. Inmarsat EasyPhone 2.1 Satellite Phone. Why it made the cut? Tons of battery life and dust, splash, and shock resistance mean this sat phone is reliable and tough. Specs. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Battery life, 8 hours of talk time, up to 160 hours on standby. Battery power, lithium-ion. Dimensions, 10 by 9 by 4 inches. The EasyPhone is backed by the Inmarsat satellite network and is a good option for international travel. Additional features include GPS and SOS capabilities. Activate its included Bluetooth connection to use it hands-free. It's preloaded with 8 hours of talk time, up to 160 hours on standby, and comes with chargers, cables, and adapters. The phone is also dust, splash, and shock resistant, meaning you don't have to worry about breaking it while out and about on your international adventure. Pros. Easy to set up and activate. Comes unlocked for compatibility with multiple service providers. Lots of coverage area. Cons. Better for traveling than hiking. Typing on phone is tedious. Number 5. Iridium Go. Standard package. Why it made the cut: this bundle includes tons of adapters, no dead batteries here. Specs. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth. Battery life, 5.5 hours of talk time, 15.5 hours of standby. Battery power, lithium-ion. Dimensions, 4.5 by 3.2 by 1.25 inches. This ready-to-use satellite communicator connects to the Iridium global satellite network, which includes 66 operating satellites. A prepaid SIM card with 1,000 minutes of talk time, a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, travel and car chargers, international adapters, and even a convenient carrying case are all included in the bundle. The Iridium Go satellite communicator also connects to the Iridium Go app to connect 5 separate devices sans wires. And it's dustproof, shock-resistant, and jet water-resistant. Carry it in your travel backpack or mount it in a car. Pros. Lots of adapters. Prepaid SIM card included. Simple user interface. Cons. Expensive.